Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome at Tabarak Academy. This is Amr, a Quran and Tajweed teacher for non-Arabic speakers. Inshallah, in this video we are gonna talk about the Qalqalh. We will cover what is the meaning of Qalqalh, letters of Qalqalh, and the types of Qalqalh. If you wanna know, let's start. Qalqalh means echo, and we have 5 letters belongs to Qalqalh. These letters are Qaf, Ta, Ba, Jim, Dal. We collected these letters in phrase Qutbu Jad, and we can consider these letters as Qalqalh letters in cases of sukoon. As we have learned, we have 2 types of sukoon. We have original sukoon and we have sukoon due to stopping. Original sukoon, when I say قد قالها, قد قالها, so these letters in cases of stopping or in cases of continuation, we will pronounce it with sukoon. The other type of sukoon, sukoon due to stopping. For example, when I say قل أعوذ برب الفلق, when I say قل أعوذ برب الفلق, so we have initially sukoon, because if I continue of my recitation, I'll say قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق. So Qaf has kasra, not sukoon. So let's see some examples. When I say قل أعوذ برب الفلق, أقا, so we have sakin qaf, so we will pronounce it with echo because it belongs to Qalqalh letters. When I say وامرأته حمالة الحطب, الحطا, الحطب, so we have sakin ta and ba with sukoon also, so we will pronounce these letters with Qalqalh. Al-hata, al-hata, aba, al-hatab. When I say yaj'al, so I have sakin jim, and jim belongs to letters of Qalqalh, so I will pronounce this jim with echo sound. When I say قل هو الله أحد, أحد, so I have sakin dal, and dal belongs to Qalqalh, so I'll pronounce this dal with echo sound. We have 3 types of Qalqalh. We have the first one is minor Qalqalh. It means when the letter of Qalqalh comes at the middle or at the end of a word in cases of continuation. So it means I will have the second letter of Qalqalh in cases of continuation at the middle or at the end of the word. For example, when I say قد قالها, قد قالها, so this is a minor type of Qalqalh. The second type of Qalqalh, we called it as a medium Qalqalh. It means when the letter of Qalqalh comes at the end of a word and we will stop on this letter, and this letter not carries shadda, in this case we will pronounce it with the medium Qalqalh. I'll say وَالسَّمَاءِ وَالطَّارِقِ, okay, قل أعوذ برب الفلق. So Qaf comes at the end of a word and I stop on this word الطارق and الفلق, and Qaf in this case doesn't carry shadda sign. The third type of Qalqalh, we called it as a major Qalqalh. When the letter of Qalqalh comes at the end of a word, yeah, and this letter carries shadda, and you will stop on this word. For example, when I say تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب, وتب, so I stopped on the ba, and ba carries shadda, so in this case I'll pronounce it with the major Qalqalh. تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب. Alhamdulillah, in this video we have covered what is the meaning of Qalqalh, the letters of Qalqalh, and the types of Qalqalh. Alhamdulillah, I think that's all I can see inshallah in the next video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Salam.